Welcome to this OfficeLogix Shop video, where we will show you how to easily install the arm pads on the Steelcase Leap V2 chair. The arm pads we offer are a perfect fit for the Leap V2, as you will see. Start by removing the old arm pads. On the underside, you will find 4 screws. Remove all of them. Next, place the new arm pads onto the arms. At first, you will see a small gap between the arm pad and the arm. This is normal. Hold one end of the arm pad in place so it does not move. With your other hand, press down hard on the opposite end. The arm pad will bend slightly as you push, which is what allows it to slide into place. Keep pressing until you feel it fully drop down and fit snugly on the arm. Insert the screws diagonally. Begin with one screw in a corner and tighten it lightly, just enough to hold it in place. Then move to the opposite corner and do the same. Add the remaining screws and tighten all of them securely. Repeat the process for the other arm pad and you are all set. Thank you for watching.